How to sign out of your Ring account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign out of your Ring account. So to do that, first of all, open the Ring app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Ring account. Now once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left side of the screen. Now tap on the option Account Settings. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the account settings page, where on the bottom side of the screen you can see the option Sign Out. Simply tap on it and then a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm whether you really want to sign out of your Ring account or not. So once you tap on the option Sign Out, you will have successfully logged out of your Ring account. And now in order to log back into your account, simply tap on the option Login, and once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully logged in to your Ring account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.